Welcome back. So this new series that we're about to launch right now is gonna be a series where I take a Starbucks drink, because your boy loves Starbucks, and turn it into liquor. So they got this new summertime series out right now that I've been vibing with. Want something, Eddie?
Yeah, I actually might want something.
What do you want?
I want that pineapple.
Yeah, right? Yeah. What he's talking about, pineapple matcha, pineapple ginger syrup, matcha coconut milk. And I believe that's it. But that's exactly what we're going to do. We're gonna make that into a cocktail. So funny story, we actually shot this video once already and we forgot to turn the mic on. The whole video, I'm talking, we're in this car right now going through this same drive-through. No one noticed. And then we recorded the whole video at home. No one noticed. And then by the end of it, I forget, what were you doing? You were like tasting it. Yeah, Eddie was tasting it instead of like recording, and he's now looking at the monitor and being like, wait a minute, this is not recording sound. So yeah, we gave up on that for that day, and we're reshooting now.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have 2 pineapple matcha drinks?
Okay, what size?
What size do you want? Small, small, that's mad small.
Alright,
Grande, both grande. What should we do next? Oh, the guava passion fruit. Absolutely. S'mores frappuccino, that's an easy one too. I made a toasted marshmallow vodka. Bro, I got a piece so bad. You're about to see me channel my inner Han on the way home. Whipping it. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. So now we got the goodies. Let's taste it. Even though I have to pee so bad. They made it well. They made it well. It's like a matcha latte, but with hints of pineapple. Like, it's not very sweet. It's very subtle pineapple ginger flavors on coconut milk. So boom bam, ingredients for this cocktail. We have ginger, pineapple, bobo nut milk, and sugar to make the syrup. All right, so first things first, let's make the syrup. What we're gonna do is cut the ginger up, nice wash, and cut the ginger up real small, and then we're gonna boil it with the sugar. Make it just like a regular simple syrup, but with ginger. Hold on, let me wash this real quick. So now that I washed the ginger, I'm gonna slice it up into little tiny coins. The ginger syrup will come out better if you peel the ginger first, but we ain't got no time for that, so we're just gonna slice it. You want as much of the inside of the ginger exposed as possible. That's why peeling is better. Okay, that'll be good enough. This is sugar from the Caucasus Mountains. We're gonna add 1 cup of that to 1 cup of boiling water. So just like simple syrup, stir it, let it dissolve a little bit. Look at the wrist. Look at the wrist. Damn, that's hot. And now we gonna add in the ginger. So now we're gonna slide the ginger in. Now one may think that that is a lot of ginger, but it is not. It's not going to absorb the flavor all that crazy. While the ginger simple syrup is simmering, we're gonna let that simmer for about like 20-30 minutes. We're going to make a pineapple puree. So take your pineapple cubes and add them to a blender. I just took out 1 piece of ginger from the syrup and we're gonna add that to the puree. So now we are going to blend the pineapple plus 1 piece of ginger. And as we always do, practice your woe. To be a successful TikToker, you gotta be able to hit the... All right, I think that's pureed quite good enough. So now we're gonna combine this ginger syrup with the pineapple puree. So I'm gonna strain the ginger out and just pour straight syrup right in there. Let's just give it a little blend. Why not? Completely combine these ingredients. Just a quick little blend. Just a quick little blend. Just a wee blend. And then we're actually gonna strain this 1 more time to get out the pineapple chunks. Sift the pineapple ginger syrup through rather. Boom, bam. Now this is a pineapple ginger syrup. Let's transfer that into a jar for holding. And now let's taste this. Ooh, very gingery. Now that that's ready, we can get started on our cocktail. So for this cocktail, the spirit I've chosen to use is this coconut oil washed rum. Sounds like I use this a lot. That's because I do. We're gonna do 2 ounces of this. All right, so this is matcha. I'm gonna use 3 packets of this stuff. It's like, I think it has a little sugar in it too. Not sure. 2 packets of matcha. Coconut milk with vanilla. This just smells heavenly, oh my goodness. And 3 ounces of the coconut milk. And finally, this pineapple ginger syrup that we just made. Finally, nailed it, buddy. 2 ounces. Okay, dry shake because we put matcha and milk and that'll create a good foam. Bang, beautiful. Hand ice. Wet shake. Ice in the glass, and we're gonna strain. And there it is. You know what's cool about this glass? Is you can spin it. It's like, oh my God, I'm an idiot. Was it looking cool though?
Report.
And there you have it, pineapple matcha from Starbucks. Side-by-side comparison. It's like the same thing, except this one's gonna fuck you up. And when is that not better? I'm nice with it, I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, but I can't be the only judge. Eddie, come over here.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Right?
Feels sweet.
Better than the first time we made it, right?
What are you talking about? This is the first time?
Shut the f up. Okay, anyways, thank you for joining us for our new series, Starbucks into cocktails. We're gonna work on that name, but for now, it's the Starbucks series. And honestly, this cocktail is popping. Like, I'm gonna put this on a menu somewhere. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. Comment below your Starbucks order, you know, so we can make it. Cause I get the same like 5 things at Starbucks all the time, so I'm gonna run out pretty fast. But if you comment your unique order, or especially if you work at Starbucks and you got something that you think we should try out, like some secret menu type, you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments, like it, subscribe. What else could they do? Oh, we got a bartending guide, the ultimate, most in-depth bartending guide ever. If you wanna learn how to bartend, as if I was personally mentoring you, check that shit out. It's free on my website. It's free. I wish I had something like this when I learned how to bartend, and that's why I made it for you. For you. That's why I does this, Eddie. For them. But anyways, thank you guys. Tune in next time. And yeah, I think that's it. Hang that shit up. Is that money on the ground? No, it's not. I thought that was moolah. Molto bene. Yeah, that sounds pretty accurate. Get it again. Ready? So you are not ready. Now, this pineapple ginger syrup that we just made, for anyone watching, go on my YouTube. I'm getting flustered with how to say this. Now we're gonna use 2 ounces of pineapple ginger syrup. Go on my YouTube and watch this full-length video to find out how to make it. Ugh. 2 ounces, 2 ounces. We Gucci, we Gucci. We Gucci, we Gucci, we Gucci. We Gucci, my Gucci. Touching it with my hand, not giving a f. Cause I'm in my house. And there you have it. Ow. That f***ing hurt. That hurt OD, bro, for such a little f***ing bump. I hate long hair. Like it's spilling everywhere.
Yeah, that was a cool part.
I'm good at this shit, bro. I'm nice with it. I'm not even gonna lie to you.